Yeah, good evening everyone. Good evening. Yeah, good evening Ruchi, good evening everyone. Yeah, can we start? Yeah, we can start now. All the people came, we can start. Yeah, let me share the screen. Yeah, fine. So I think we can go ahead. We can go ahead. All the people came. I think we can go ahead. Yeah, let's start now. Let's start. So in the last class, so let me show until which place we done. Let me show. Yeah, just wait 1 minute. Just wait 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah, now we can go ahead. I think everything is fine now. So in the last class, if you observe, we done until here, typecasting. This is the last class. In the last class, we done until here. In the last class, this is the last point what we discussed. So I am reading once again. Converting from one type to another type is known as typecasting. Converting from one type to another type is known as typecasting or coercion. Right? That's what the yesterday happened. Now let's continue today's class. I'm starting. Everything is ready. So I'm writing once again. Today's class is starting now. Let me write the date also. Yeah, I think anyhow not required. Yeah, we can go ahead. So typecasting. I'm writing here. I'm writing the same sentence again. Converting from one type to one data type to one type to another type is known as typecasting, or which is also known as coercion. Which is also called as coercion. Okay, so that is the meaning of typecasting. So I will try to explain what exactly meaning. Today's class, this is the purpose. Today's class purpose is typecasting. Right? I'm going to explain now. Right? I'm going to explain what exactly it is. Can you see this? Can you see everyone? Everyone see this? Everyone try to understand. Right? Suppose assume that there is some number. There is some number 10. So this is actually string. This number actually string. There is a number 10 actually string. If you want to convert into integer, right, you can just write into, within the brackets you write. Then it became a 10. So now previously, before typecasting, it is a string. Before typecasting, it is a string. After typecasting, it became an integer. It is a string. Before, it is a string. After typecasting, it became a integer. Right? Next one. One more thing I am saying to you. See everyone, one more thing. Careful everyone. There is a 10, which is an integer. It is actually integer. There is a 10 which is actually integer, but you written here float off. Then it became a 10.0. This is called float. Right? Next one. One more thing. See this one. One more thing. 10 is there. Right? 10 is there. Right? So this is actually into. I written something like complex. Means complex number. Then it became 10 plus 0j. 10 plus 0j. Right? Which is nothing but 10 only. So this is going to be complex. So this is the meaning of typecasting. So I have so many examples to explain. this. So many examples. Let's see the first example. Before going to the first example, let's see this. So Avichal in the 2025 GATE examination, Avichal is one of our classroom student. Avichal is one of our classroom student. In the 2025 GATE examination, he got All India top rank. All India 4th rank he got. All India 4th rank. In the previous year we got, in the previous years we got, right, All India rank 1 also, All India rank 3 also, All India rank 4 also, All India rank 4 also. In the previous years we got. This year we got the 4th rank. It's All India top rank this year, because this year 1, 2, 3 not there. 1, 2, 3 not there. Even though we don't know who are those. They written only casually. So Avichal is the top ranker of GATE CSE exam this year. EPT got the top rank this year GATE examination. So we got the 8th rank also. We got the 10th rank also. We got the 17th rank. We got the 18th rank, 42, 46, many ranks. We got this year many ranks. Many ranks we got this year. Not 1, 2, many ranks we got. Right? Now let's move to next one. So many people are asking, why should we join in the EPT? We have recorded lecture, live lectures, both. That too unlimited times, unlimited number of time. There is a right, quizzes also there every day. There is a right quick doubt solving also there. If you get any doubt, immediately you will get the answer. So you have, right, so 10,000 practice questions are there. 10,000 verified practice questions, including GATE, including the PYQs and all, and some extra things, right? 10,000 verified practice questions are there. Trial courses also there. Mentorship also every Saturday 2 p.m. Every Saturday 2 p.m. there is a mentorship session. Next one, we have important formulas also available. Important formulas PDF also we are going to provide. AIR1 handwritten notes also. And one more thing is going to be, right, you are going to learn from me. I have the 16 years of experience. I am the GATE top ranker. I got the education from the IIT Bombay. So you will learn from me. Most of the toppers of previous people are most probably came from my hand only. Most of the toppers are my students only. Most of the toppers are my students only. So you will learn from me. You will learn from Mithali madam, who is the 10th ranker. You will learn from Abhinav sir, right? Abhinav sir, who is the AIR1. You will learn from the Nidhi madam, who is the IITN, working in the FANG company. And you are going to learn from Uma Maheshwar sir, mathematics, discrete mathematics and basic mathematics, right? He is the 20 years experienced person. So in my opinion, India's top level faculty there. In EPT, India's top level faculty, top faculty of CSE available in the EPT team. In the total India itself, top faculty of CSE team is available here. GATE CSE, GATE DA, top faculty is available here. Next one, top quality materials also will be provided. Job notifications also provided. So because of this reason, proudly you can join the EPT. Because of this reason, proudly you can join the EPT. Next one, test series also started. EPT test series is so famous because last year GATE examination, almost 59 questions came from EPT test series. 59 questions came from EPT test series. That is the reason Avichal got 4th rank. That is the reason Avichal got 4th rank. We got 4th rank, we got 8th rank, we got so many ranks because of this reason. Right? We are providing 100 plus tests, 70 topic wise and subject wise tests, 20 full length, 10 mark tests, right? You will get a lot of advantage. Lot of advantage you are going to get. If anyone is not joined, please join. And one more good news I want to say to you: 70% discount is going on. 70% discount is going on, not 1 or 2. 70% discount is going on. Regular course, right? If you are preparing for 2026, go for regular course. If you are going for 2027 GATE exam, go for the 2-year course. If you are a dropper, right, I will suggest to you go to crash course. And right, if at all, right, this one, you are a fresher, you are a 1-year person, right, you are preparing for 1 year or 2-year dropper, whatever it is. If you want to do practice, right, best practice, if you want, you can go for rank improvement course. Best practice, approximately 5,000 questions we are going to explain with video solutions. Mentorship, if you have any doubts in your preparation, you can go for mentorship. Test series, right, 1 year validity. Don't miss any one of this. If you want to be a topper, don't miss any one of this. 70% discount going on. 70% discount. Utilize this wonderful opportunity. Now come to today's class first problem. Today's class first problem. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. Today's class first problem. Today's class first problem. Today's topic is typecasting. Observe here. Today's topic is right, typecasting. Can you see this? Can you see this one? Into 123.9. It's actually float. It is actually float. So you typecast it to integer. So float part will be neglected. Answer became 123. Next one. Everyone observe. Everyone observe. It is actually complex number. It is actually complex number. You typecast it into integer. You typecast it into integer. See. So because of typecasted into integer, I cannot take only 10. I cannot take only 10, right? Because it's a 10 plus 5j. I cannot neglect 5j. So there is an error. Cannot convert complex to int. So remember this. Remember this one. Remember this point. I kept 10 stars. Remember this point. Next one, again, 6-1. True is a Boolean type. If you do into, it will goes to integer. Next one, false is a Boolean type. False is a Boolean type. If you do typecast to into, it became an integer. So 1 is a integer. 0 also integer. Once again see. It is a string typecasted into integer. Same case. Now previously 10 is a string. Now 10 is an integer. Now next one, 10.5 is a actually string. 10.5 is a actually string. You typecasted into integer. 10.5 is actually string. You typecasted into integer. Right? See what it is giving. An invalid literal for into with base 10 to 10.5. This is the error message which you are going to get. You can check also. I verified. It is a string. 10.5 is a string. You are trying to convert into integer, right? It will give error message. 10.5 is a string. If only 10, you can convert. Only 10, string, only 10, you can convert. Because of 10.5, you are going to lose something. 10.5, you are going to lose something. So this is the case. Right? There is an error message. Please check once. This also remember. Next one, 10. See this one. 10 is a string. 10 is a string. You try to do typecasting to integer, right? But 10 is a some letters, characters. How can you convert into characters into integer? So again, error message. It is also error message. It is also error message. So please careful. It is also error message. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. Let me know if anyone having any doubt. See, 10 is a string. Actually, 10 is a string because of double quotes, but it is a number, right? It is a number. You convert into integer, so 10k. 10.5 is a number, but it is a string. But when you convert it to integer, you lose something. You lose something. When you are losing something, it will give error message. When you are losing something, it will give error message. But remember, it is a string. Suppose it is a normal one. See, it is not a string. It is not a string. It is a float. Float, when you do typecasting, so 1, 2, 3 won't be printed. 987 will not be printed. In the string, if you are losing something, you will get error message. Next one, 10, there is no digit at all. How can I convert into integer? So it will give error message. Please check one time. The things which I written the star operator, can you remember? Something special, can you remember? Sir, 10 is a string. When you do typecasting, 10 came. But sir, 10.5 is a string. When you do typecasting, 10 should come now. But it is a string. And fractions also there. String with fractions. When you do typecast to into, problem will come. So can you see this? Can you see this? This is the program I executed also. You also can execute. You also can execute. Let's see one more combination. Let's see one more combination. See the float. See the float now. See the things which are something special, the things which are giving error, please see one time. Float 10. Actually 10 is an integer. You said float 10. It became 10.0. No problem. Next one. Can you see this one? 10 plus 5j. You convert it into float. You convert it into float. It is a complex number. When you try to convert it into float, error message will come. Otherwise, you only say how I will convert. You only say. Okay, that is also okay. Let's go to next one. Float true. True is a Boolean. Float true means actually true means what? 1. Float 1. It became 1.0. Next one. False means 0. Float 0. 0.0. Okay. Next one. Can you help? 10 is a string here. 10 is a string. You send to float. You made it as a float. Right? It became 10.0. Next one. 10.5 is a string. Can you observe here? 10.5 is a string. And it's a float number. Internally float is there. 10.5 is a float number. But you kept double quotes. It is a string. But when you do typecasting to float, no problem. But if you do typecasting to into, problem will come. Same thing, 10.5. We done already. If you try to do typecast to into, error will come. Because you lose something. String, and you are typecasting to integer, but there is a fraction, error will come. So string fraction is there. When you do typecasting to float, no problem. Next one, can you help? String, there is no digit at all. How can I convert into float? So error will come. So error things you remember. These are special. Remaining things are normal. Error things you remember. You cannot remember everything. Error things you remember. Remember error things. Normally, when you are converting string to, listen, you are converting string to into. If at all that string internally contain integer, when you convert string into, no problem. Suppose, right, string float, you are trying to convert it into, problem will come. See this, string float. Inside float is the string format. String float, when you are converting into, problem will come. Right, let me ask you. Right, string float, you are converting into float only. String float, you are converting into float only, no problem. Can you check once again? Everyone check once. Every person check once. Everyone try. Sir, how many questions we should do to get the good rank in the GATE? How many questions we should do? We should to get the good GATE rank in the GATE 2026. First complete the total syllabus. We need We need first to complete the total syllabus. Whatever we are covering in the class, first complete it. Whatever we are covering in the class, please complete first. Whatever we are doing in the classroom, please do that first, followed by PYQs. Class notes, followed by PYQs. Please do this, you will get the nice rank. Class notes followed by PYQs you do. You will get the nice rank. First be comfortable with the class notes. Thanks for asking. Vinith, thanks for asking. Let's move to next. Again, can you see this example also? See this one. 10 is actually integer. You convert it into complex. It became 10 plus 0j. Next one, see this one also. 10.5. You convert it into complex. So this is also same story, 0j. Next one, right? True is actually Boolean, right? True means 1. You convert it into complex, 1.0j. Nothing special. These are normal, as expected only. Can you see interesting one? False means 0. Complex of 0. So 0 plus 0j. 0 plus means that definitely 0 plus something only. 0 plus 0j. So 0j. Right? Fine. That is also okay. Next one. Can you see this one? It is a string. Everyone can observe here. It is a string. But remember, it is a string. No fractions also there. Complex of 10. Right? See this one. If you observe inside, string into. Inside is string, but inside integer is there. So because of inside integer, so same integer will come, right? 0j. Same thing with float also. String float inside. String inside float is there. But when you do complex, so 10.5 plus j. Okay, that's fine. Now, but understand here, you written that 10. All are character. If you convert into complex, it cannot be done. Error things. Please remember error things. Remember everyone. Please remember error things. See, these all no need to remember. They are normal. These all no need to remember. They are normal. But error things you remember. See, one or two things are error. All the things you cannot remember. If anyone try to remember all, you will forget your name. Sir, I will remember all these 40 lines, sir. Sir, 40 lines, whatever you written, I will remember, sir. If you try to remember all the 40 things, you will forget your name. You will ask your mama, what is my name? Papa, what is my name? It is a serious issue. You cannot remember these many. Error things you remember. What is the typecasting? Converting from one type to another type. Suppose if I want to convert something to integer, so int of, within the bracket, whatever you want. Integer, I want to convert something to integer, so int of you write. I want to convert something into float of. I want to something to complex of. I want to convert something into string, write something like that. Whichever type you want, you can do it. But one or two things are not possible, please check properly. One or two things are not possible, please check properly. Can you see this problem? Can you see this? See everyone this. Any doubt, let me know. Any doubt there, let me know. Everyone. Any doubt, let me know. Everyone try this. Everyone try. I done 4 problems. Can you try this? Try everyone. If you have little doubt also, I will help you. Little doubt also there, I will help you. Can you see these ones? String, see, string also. Converting into string, how? It is actually integer. Converting into string, double quotes will come. See, double quotes are single quotes. Both are same. Actually, 10 is an integer. Converting into string. So, quotes, right? Single quote or double quote will come. So, nothing special. Next one, 10.5. It is actually float. Converting into string. Same thing, whatever you have. Keep double quotes or single quote. That is also okay. Nothing special. Next one, it is actually complex number. Converting into string. So whatever is there, keep the single quote. So no problem. Next one, true. Whatever is there, converting into string. So like this. I think no error is there. No error. Only remember error things. Remember error things only. Only few things. One or two statements remember. Typecasting. Remember one or two statements. Here no error will come. Everything you can convert into string. Whatever there. See, whatever is there converting into string. Nothing. Keep double quotes. Some XYZ is there converting into string. Keep double quotes. Some 25 is there converting into string, keep double quotes. Some 75 is there converting into string, keep single quote or double quote, both are same. Here nothing, no problem at all. Here no problem. Here one problem is coming, please take care. Here two problems are coming, please take care. Right? Perfect. Converting something into string, very easy. Converting something into, if I want to convert you into string, just to you, I will keep double quotes. It is you. I want to convert you into string. To you, I will keep the two wings like this. On your head, I will keep two wings like this. Then you are becoming a string. If anyone asks you, sir, can I convert you? If anyone asks you, can I convert you into string? Very simple. Keep double quotes or single quotes. Whatever you have, keep double quotes. You will become a string. Whatever you have, just keep the double quotes. You will become a string. Right? It's very simple. Converting something into string. No error at all. No error. So where the more errors are coming? This part. See, 3 errors coming. So converting something into integer. 3 errors can check. Something converting into integer. 3 errors came. Something converting into float. 2 errors came. Something converting into complex. 1 error came. Something converting into string. No error at all. No error at all. Converting into integer, more errors came. Converting into float, 2 errors. Converting into string, no error at all. Converting into complex, 1 error is there. Right? Please verify. Now, I think, can you see this one? Something into Boolean. See what will happen. Something into Boolean. Can you see what happened? It is a 0. Boolean 0. 0 means false. It is a 1. Boolean 1. True. It is a 1 0. Can you see this one? 1 0 Boolean. 1 0 Boolean. Remember everyone, other than 0. 0 only false. Other than 0, everything is true only. 10.0 Boolean conversion. Is it 0? No, true only. Next one, can you help me now? Is it 0? No. 0 point something is not 0. It is a more than 0. Boolean is going to be true. 0.0, see this one. 0.0 means 0 only. Boolean is 0 means false. 10 minus 2.j. Is it 0? No. So true only. Next one. 0 plus 1.5. 0. See 1.5j. 1.5j. Right? Boolean if you convert. Is it 0? No. True. Is it 0? Yes, exactly 0. 0 into something is 0. Exactly 0. So false. True. True means true. False means, right? See this one. Can you see this one? Very interesting. Can you see this one? Interesting. Boolean of false. Boolean of false. Can you help me now? Boolean of false. Can you check this? Boolean of false. Boolean of true is true. Boolean of false. Can you check this one time? Can you check this one time? Tomorrow I will check also. I will recheck also. I have some doubt on this. I will recheck also. Boolean of false. False means 0. Boolean of 0. It should be false. I have some doubt. I will recheck again. So if anyone is there in front of the system, you can check one time. Next one, Boolean of nothing. Nothing means 0 only. So false. If nothing is there, Boolean of nothing. So 0. 0 means false. Boolean of false. I think false. Please check one time. Anyhow, I will check. I will check. Those people who are watching, can you verify? If you want, you can verify once. Verify once. It is a string. Someone is saying it is a string. Someone is saying it is a string. Boolean of true. True. It's a false. So let's check Cooper. Let's check Cooper. Let's check Cooper. True. True. String of false. String of false. False will come. Yeah, can you check one time? Yeah, can you verify one time? Tomorrow I will also verify. You people also verify. Tomorrow I will check also. I will check and come. You are right. Those people who are there in front of system, please can you confirm? In front of system, those people who are there, can you confirm one time? Can you confirm one time? Otherwise, give me 1 minute. Otherwise, give me 1 minute. I will check. Otherwise, give me 1 minute. I will check. Just give me 1 minute. I'm checking one time. I will execute one time. Just give me 1 minute. 1 minute. I'm checking. Yeah, fine. So in the next class, this one in the next class, I will say I tried also something. It is right, whatever it may be, it is not coming. So in the next class, definitely I will come to this point. I will explain. Let's move to next. Let's move to next. That one I have some doubt. Boolean of false. Boolean of false. It's coming as true, right? I will check one time. Yeah, come back now. Come back. Come back now. Can you see this? Can you see this one? Complex of x comma y. Can you see this one? It's very interesting. Complex of x comma y. Complex of x comma y. We can use this method to convert x and y into complex number such that x will be a real part, y will be a imaginary part. Can you see this one? Complex of 10 comma minus 2, it became 10 minus 2j. Complex of true false, it became true means 1, false means 0, 0j. So this function also remember this. This function also remember. Yeah, let me know if anyone having doubts till now. Till now, if you have any doubt, let me know. Till now, if anyone having any doubt, let me know. So all the things we done, all the things we done. See, nothing special, nothing special. Everything Boolean, everything Boolean, true or false. If 0 is coming, only 0 false, only 0 false. Remaining all the places true. So can you see this one? Everything is true. Only 0 false. Only 0 false. Only 0 there false. So Boolean of true, Boolean of true, true. Boolean of false also I feel false, but anyhow I will check once again. Boolean of nothing, nothing means 0. Nothing means 0. Nothing means 0. So 0 means false. It's very simple, very simple. Remember. Boolean of 0, something 0. Then answer is false. Next one, Boolean of non-zero. Boolean of non-zero, it will become true. Remember this. Boolean of non-zero, true. Boolean of 0 is false. Remember, this is called typecasting. The topic what we are discussing is a typecasting. The topic which we are discussing is a typecasting, converting one form to another form. Converting one form to another form. So this is 0, this is 0, this is 0. Boolean of 0. It is 0 only. It's a false. But unfortunately, I written true. But anyhow, I will recheck again. Okay, come back. Come back now. So there is a one function complex of x comma y. So whatever you given x comma y, so it will convert into a complex format. So you given x plus 10, y plus minus 2, 10 plus minus 2j. Next one, true plus 0j. So like that. Now, because of you are really comfortable, because of you people are really comfortable, can anyone say what is the output of this program? Can anyone say what is the output of this program? Try this one. Those people who tried until now, can you say what is the output of this program? Please go ahead, everyone. Whatever you understood, please go ahead for this. What is the output of this program? It's a very interesting one. Let's see how many people will give. Let's see how many people will give this. Remember everyone. Input means in the C programming scanf. Input means in the C programming scanf. Input means in the C programming scanf. So now see this one. Enter the first number. Whenever this program is running at this place, what happened is it will stop and it will ask enter the number. Whenever this program is running at this line, it will ask enter the number. Okay, enter the first number. Enter first number. When it will ask enter the first number, listen. When you ask enter the first number, so let us assume that you enter 25. Assume You enter 25. Remember, enter the number they asked you, enter the number 25. Whenever this line is running, at that time it will ask enter the number. You enter the number 25. So finally, this input function will take 25. Finally, it will return 25. It is asking enter the number, you enter the number 25. This particular function input will finally return 25. But remember, this input function returns string. This input function returns string. That string will store inside A. Inside A, string will store. Input function returns string. Now I am writing here. Whatever you enter, it will return string. So, suppose you enter the 75, you will keep double quote and you will return. Suppose if you return the 10.5, you will keep the double quote and you will return. Suppose if you write the 10 plus 5j, you will keep double quote, you will return. You know very well, converting anything into string, very simple, keeping double quote. So whatever number you enter, right, that number will be written, but in the string format. So A contains string 25. Now, whenever this line is running, enter the input number. Again, you ask to see, enter second number. Enter the second number, you done. When you say enter the second number, you enter the second number 75. You enter the second number 75. So this function finally returns 75, but it should be a string. It should be a string. So B contains 75, which is a string. Remember, input function return. I am writing here. Input function will be useful to take input. Input function will be useful to take input, but it will return string. Input function will take input, but it will return string. Suppose input you are given 75, it will return 75 string. Suppose input you enter, everyone understand, input you enter 10.5, it will return string format, 10.5 string format. So like that it will return. Okay, finally now you have two strings, A 25 string, B 75 string. Now you have two strings. Remember everyone, two strings plus operation is nothing but concatenation. 25 plus 75. Remember, two strings adding is nothing but concatenation, which is nothing but 25 75. It is a concatenation. Two strings concatenation. So first one will give 25 75 output. Next one difference is equal to A. A means 25. 25 will be printed. Product B means 75. 75 will be printed. Remember, input function will be useful to take input. Suppose I give an input 75, but remember this function will return whatever you give string format. I given 75, it will convert into 75 string format, it will return. I given 10.5, it will return 10.5 in the string format, it will return. Now, after completion of first two lines, whatever numbers you enter, they are converted into strings. Adding two strings are nothing but concatenation. Concatenation means keeping side by side. Concatenation means keeping side by side. Concatenation means keeping side by side. Try to understand. Now here no operation A printing. Here no operation B printing. So the output of this program is first one 25 75 printed. Second one 25 printed. Third one 75 printed. So like that. Okay, I hope everyone got it. Can you try what is the output of this program? Can everyone try what is the output of this program? Everyone try what is the output of this program. Try once. Everyone try what is the output of this program. Make it fast. What is the output? A is equal to 10, right? Let's see this one. A is equal to 10. Memory will allocate. So 10 will be stored. Address 1000. See the second line. A is equal to input of. Enter the first number. Can you see one time? Enter the number. Okay. I enter the number 25. I enter the number 25. But this input function make it as a string. 25 string. 25 string. So I think this A again memory will allocate. Because of it is a different one. Because of it is a different one. Right? So I think in the previous class we discussed already. A memory will be created 25. So from now onwards, this is no more. This only. A 25. Can you see this one? Enter the second number 75. So after conversion, right? 75 become a string. So B 75. Which is also a string. So A is 25 string. B is 75 string. So two strings are there. Now print it. So everyone now adding two strings are nothing but. What is the answer? Concatenation. 25, 75. Next one. What is the difference? Now see the answer. 25 string multiplication 75 string. There is no meaning of multiplying two strings. Error message will come. There is no meaning of multiplying two strings. In the similar way, there is no meaning of subtracting two strings. This is also error message will come. Next one. Can you see? Help me now. So B. What is the B? 75. Here there is no error. Here no problem. Adding two strings means concatenation. Multiplying two strings, there is no meaning. Subtracting two strings, there is no meaning. So second printf error will come. Third printf error will come. First printf, fourth printf, no problem. First printf, fourth printf, no problem at all. No problem. I hope this also clear. Can you go ahead here? Can you see this? What is the output of this program? It is a very interesting. This problem is very interesting. What is the output of this program? Can you see this one? It is a very interesting problem. I don't know how many people can catch this. One. So let's check here. A10 memory will allocate. Okay. See the answer. Very important one. A10 memory will allocate. Okay, that's fine. Next one. Using the input function, you are taken something. Okay, 25 you are taken, but it is a string. Now listen. Typecast to integer. Now this A is 25. Because of different values, right? So different memory will be allocated. So this is completed. Now next one. Input enter second number 75. It is actually string. You typecasted into integer. This became a integer. So B became 75. Remember this 25, this 75. Both are integers because you done typecasting. Next one. Sum A plus B. 25 plus 75. Numbers if you add, it became 100. First printf is 100 will be printed. So I enter the first number 66. Okay. I enter the second number 88. Okay. Depending upon what you enter. First I enter 66. Okay. Second I enter 75 plus 88. Now after typecasting they became integers. Okay, fine. Now add both of them. If you add both of them, I think the 66 plus 88, if you add them, it will become 154. Okay, that is fine. Now next one, if you multiply 66 into 88, if you multiply, you will get the 5808. Next one, if you subtract 66 minus 88, if you subtract, it will become -2. Next one, print B. B is, I think, 88. 88 will be printed. So nothing, if you do typecasting, no problem. If you do typecasting, no problem. It's a very, very interesting problem. It's a very, very interesting problem. Let me know anyone having any objection. Let me know anyone having any objection. Check one time. You are doing typecasting. If you don't do typecasting, previous one, see, typecasting not done. Second printf, third printf having problem. Typecasting is not done. Second, right, third printf, second printf, third printf having problem. Typecasting done, no one having problem. Typecasting is done, no one having problem. Typecasting is done, no one having problem. Right, fine, perfect. Perfect. Now I think typecasting, we done so many problems. Please, I will let me count. Let me count how many problems we done. For a typecasting, how many problems we done? Let me check. Everyone see this one? Typecasting, how many problems we done? Let me explain. It is a problem number 1. Typecasting problem number 1. Typecasting problem number 2. Typecasting problem number 3. Typecasting problem number 4. Typecasting problem number 5. Typecasting problem number, I think this is normal, nothing there. Typecasting problem number 6. Typecasting problem number 7. Typecasting problem number 8. Right, now see this one. In Python, the following data types are associated as a fundamental data type. See, so many data types are there. These are fundamental data types: integer, float, complex, Boolean, string. These are the fundamental data types. There are so many data types are there. These are fundamental data types. In Python, we can represent character value also using string type. So there is no character. See, there is no character. In all the data types also there is no character. Here character and string both are same. See, ABC, ABC, ABC. You can write like this also. You can write like this also. Normally for character, we will use single character. Normally for character, we will use single quote. Strings double quote, but here double quote, single quote same. Means character, string both are same. In the Python language, there is no character. Character also by right indirectly, string only. In Python, we can represent character values also by using string type. And explicitly, character type is not available. Remember, character type. Character type. Not available in Python. Character and string both are same. Character and string both are same. Next one. If you want to prepare for PSU exam, so GATE syllabus and PSU syllabus both are same. GATE syllabus, PSU syllabus both are same. If you prepare to GATE exam, PSU also same. The only thing is few subjects are different. So GATE plus PSU course. GATE is a GATE 80%, PSU 20%. Combinedly, it will be helpful to GATE also, PSUs also. Those people who want to prepare for GATE and PSU combinedly, my best suggestion is you can have this course. You can have this course. Previously 45% offer is there. Now it is a 70% offer. You can utilize it. 70% offer is there. You can utilize it. 70% offer is there. You can utilize it. Next one. So there are some people who want to prepare for, right? If you are preparing for 2027, if you are preparing for GATE 2027, you can prepare GATE CSE also, GATE DA also, placements also combinedly. You can prepare. This is also 70% offer is going on. Please utilize. Please go to website. This course, right? GATE plus GATE CSE plus GATE DA plus placement. Right, 70% offer is going on. Please utilize it. Next one, if you are preparing for only placement, this is the best course. This is the best course if you are preparing for only placement. It is the best course. using this course, many people went to FANG companies. Many people went to FANG companies. Many people went to service-based companies. This is the best course for DSA. It is the best course for DSA in all over India. It is the best course. It is the best course for DSA. Every day I used to get at least a few messages. Sir, because of your DSA, I placed it here. Sir, because of your DSA, I placed it there. Sir, because of your DSA, I got job in Microsoft. I got job here. I got job in IBM. I got job in the Qualcomm. Every day I used to get the messages. So it is the best course for placements. And next one job ready course is the DSA plus Oracle database. It is also 70% discount is going on. 70% discount is going on. Next one, programming languages. 4 programming language course there, right? You can take this course. You can be comfortable in the 4 languages. There is one more course is there, full stack web development plus DSA. Full stack web development plus DSA. This course will be really useful. It is also industry ready course. It is also industry ready course. There is a 70% discount going on. Please utilize it. Please utilize it. 70% discount is going on. Right. I hope everyone is comfortable. In today's class, we done many things we done. In the next class, we are going to do strings. In tomorrow's class, we will discuss strings. Yeah, thank you so much. If anyone having any doubt, right? You see in the description, you will find out our WhatsApp group, our Telegram group, right? You can join there. You can ask all the doubts. Right, you see our WhatsApp group or Telegram group. You can post all your doubts. Sir, I have this doubt, I have that doubt. You can ask in our groups. We are going to give answer as soon as possible. Within 30 minutes, you will get the reply. This is my personal WhatsApp number. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. It's our personal WhatsApp number. So, right, you can ask me whatever doubts you have. I am going to help you. I am ready to help your doubts. Yeah, thanks everyone. Thank you so much. See you in the next class.